Hi, and welcome back to Black Lion Financial. Do you know that you can make up to $200 per day using this method that I'm going to show you just by copying and pasting photos? You can make so much money doing this method. It's a 3-step method, and even if you're a complete beginner, I'm going to show you how you can potentially change your life. But before that, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our updates on how to make money online. Okay, let's get to the video. No website is required for this method. All you need to do first is to find images. So you want to head on over to freeimages.com. On this website, you search for stock images that are completely free to use. You can see all of these pictures that you can use for free. There are some fantastic pictures here, some very attractive pictures for you to search through. You want to click on one of these images that have good quality, then you want to download it. You should search beforehand which pictures are actually selling. So how do you actually do that? Let's visit the next site, Etsy.com. Then, as an example, let's type in tiger photography wall art in the search box. As you can see here, people are selling tiger wall art for huge amounts of money. Some of these have thousands of sales, and these people will be selling multiple pieces of art. You can do this too. Just head back over to freeimages.com and search for tiger. Now you can see all these tiger pictures that are free to use and free to modify. You can modify these photos after you download them, so you can change the color settings or add parts to the picture. And a great place to do that is canva.com. I'll make another video on Canva soon, but for now, Canva is totally free and you can edit images here. Then, once you play around and have the perfect picture, it's time to download from Canva. Now you want to head over to printify.com. Here, you can design canvases to upload your tiger picture. Just add your design into the blank canvas. Then, save your image. Now, they're going to charge you this amount for the image canvas, and all you have to do is sell it higher than what you pay for it on your Etsy store. They will automatically connect your Etsy account, and you can just watch quick YouTube videos on how to do this. Make sure you research on YouTube how to set up an Etsy store successfully. And that's it. You can do this with thousands of different pictures, not just tigers. Everything from pictures of plants, cars, buildings, landscapes, and so many more. Remember to check out our other videos on how to make money online, and please subscribe to this channel and leave a like if it inspires you to start making money online. Until next time, take care.